In this video, we're going to have a look at pirouetting maneuvers as part of our look at the book Freestyle, A Master's Guide to 3D Flight. So as you probably know, this book isn't available to buy anywhere in the world at the moment, so I'm putting up my copy for raffle. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in winning that, and I will send it to you wherever you are in the world. So there are 9 maneuvers in the pirouetting section in this book. So I'll go through all of those very quickly, and then what we'll do is in later videos, we'll break them down individually. So the first maneuver is a pirouetting circle. You're going to do this at a medium speed, and you're going to do it to a medium and large size circle. And the next maneuver is a pirouetting funnel. So we're going to do this as a high-speed pirouette around a medium-sized circuit. The third maneuver is a pirouetting funnel again, but this time we're going to do it inverted. And the fourth maneuver is the start of the pirouetting loops. So for this one, we're going to do a single pirouetting loop. And don't forget, you can download these list of maneuvers from the contents from the Mikado website, and I put a description below.
Receiver 6.9 volt.
Maneuver number 5 is a pirouetting globe. So we're going to take that pirouetting loop you've just done, and we're going to do 4 of those. Maneuver number 6 is the pirouetting flip. Now the book actually has some really nice thoughts and descriptions on the maneuver, as well as a couple of tips. So don't forget, you can win this book. Number 7. We're almost down to the last one. Number 8, a pirouetting snake. And the very last maneuver is the pirouetting rainbow. So this was a quick look at the maneuvers listed in the book. In future episodes, we're going to take those maneuvers and break them down. So hit the subscribe button below, and you'll get notifications as soon as I release a new video. Thanks for watching.